I'm washing dishes right now, but I had a thought or whatever about what it'd be like when I'm talking to prospects about my online nail course, which is the DIY Manicure MasterClass. And if you are a DIYer, nail client, nail enthusiast, even an aspiring nail tech or a beginner nail tech, listen, this is for you. Because like a lot of times people will tell me that, oh, you know, I don't do anything with my nails, and if I want something done with my nails, I just go to a nail tech. Meanwhile, they look at their nails, I look at their nails, and it's dirty underneath their fingernail tips. You mean to tell me you just go to the nail shop to clean up underneath your nails? You mean to tell me you don't clean up underneath your nails? Listen, and because I look like somebody auntie right now, yes, Auntie Rai says nail care maintenance is for everybody. Yes, get the DIY Manicure Masterclass. Master your own nail care. These are your nails. Listen, you can go get great nails done, but nail care starts with you at home.